cat, feeding the cat, feeding the cat. You hungry? Hey guys, how are you doing today? I'm doing pretty fantastic. Thank you for asking. This morning, I got a lovely wake-up call from someone in that back alley honking as loud as I possibly can. It was great. Checked my phone as you normally do, and Brad had just texted me and was like, yo, are you awake? Let's do things. And I was like, I mean, I just woke up. I went to sleep 5 hours ago. And he's like, I woke up 5 hours ago. And I was like, Brad. So I'm gonna go dye his hair. I said dye his hair. I'm gonna go bleach his hair. I've never bleached hair before. I'm probably gonna fry all of his hair off. Don't tell him I told you this, but it's probably not gonna end well. So we're gonna go meet up with him real quick. You go hang out, Brad? This is what I'm doing today. You excited?
I'm nervous because you've never done this before. Excited?
Yeah, no, it's gonna be great. What do I do?
Some of this, onto this, and voila, it's done.
Yay.
Nah.
This is my masterpiece.
So tell everybody to come back. I'll be back in like 2 seconds.
On you now.
Oh, hi, Kate.
Hey.
Kate's vlogging while I'm
we had to just do the.
Oh, Inception, vlogception.
So when do we see it?
I'm scared. Ready?
No. That's not bad.
It was like an awkward pause, like,
I'll go get my hair dry. I was expecting it to look a lot worse.
Whoa,
Whoa.
that's kind of scary. Ah! I don't want to play. Oh!
It's the moon.
I'm scared. Oh my god.
We're going on an adventure. Oh, you know, I've got little legs.
Huh? You take pictures of me? Yeah. Only if you'll take pictures of me.
So we went basically to these mountains, and that was it, 'cause they had other things to do. And I don't, so. Okay, so apparently the night is not over yet. Edwin is gonna go get tacos with a bunch of people, and I thought I'd join him. So we're gonna go get tacos. How's it going, Edwin?
Hi, you want a beer?
That was the most awkward grin I have ever seen in my entire life.
So much fun in Hollywood. Kate came out. Kate got out of her cave, and we're gonna have some tacos.
I got out for you, Edwin.
For me! I was so ecstatic. Genuinely.
So we decided to ditch the bar, just us, because no, we were there for like an hour and there were no tacos. There was nothing, and Edwin was loud, and everyone was loud, especially Edwin.
Yeah, but now look at where we are.
Yeah, look, we're at freaking Chick-fil-A.
And I am so happy.
Me too. This is so much better than a loud bar. And this girl kept like touching me.
Hey, she was grinding on your right side. She didn't prefer
This is why I don't go outside. So I was awoken this morning by friends to come get sushi. So that's what I'm eating for breakfast. When I mean breakfast, I mean it is like, what, 3:35 right now? Anyway, so Jess is here. Breakfast of champions. Sushi. And then Skylar's, you know, figuring out what he wants.
I don't know what I want.
Tonight is a like super blood moon lunar eclipse, and it's super awesome, and I love things like this, and I'm sitting here like an idiot listening to Game of Thrones. Like, soundtrack, House Targaryen. It just, these people are so talented. You are so talented. Ramen, I don't know how to say your last name. I have to find pants now. Are you sleeping, Thor? Are you sleeping? Yeah. You being a little cozy, buddy? Okay. This morning, do you know what he did? He, for some reason, like jumped at me for no reason and latched onto my head. So I have like claw marks all behind my ear, and also I think on this ear he actually got it. So there's like, I don't know if you can see it or not, but That was fun, as you can imagine. The giant blood moon. I've seen a lot of tweets. Oh, it's dark in there. I've seen a lot of tweets of people being like, oh my god, it looks so cool. And it's not even dark outside yet, so I don't know if it's happening. It may be happening. I don't know. I feel like he's driving here. I feel like if it were happening, he would tell me. But do you want to see it? Do you want to see the blood? He's so mad at me. I don't even think that I've vlogged these lights yet.
You haven't?
No.
Look at them.
So this happened.
They're so pretty.
I know.
Same
Are
cat.
you moving in now? Is that what's happening?
That's really it.
You want to adopt Thor while
Oh
you're at it?
hell no! You can't look at that. He's trying to knock over my tripod already. Thor.
You're officially one with the house now because you just responded to him. We cooked some chicken for Thor and I came into the room to see cockroaches on it. Luckily, Skylar and I have a pact that whatever spider we see, I will kill it for him, and whatever cockroach we see, he'll kill it for me. So he went to go kill it, but one got away. So now there's a cockroach just kind of aimlessly and chilling. I don't know why there's cockroaches. They're little bitty ones. They're still disgusting. I'm blaming you, Thor. Somehow you brought cockroaches into this house. You didn't eat your chicken, and cockroaches got to it. We had to throw the entire thing out. It was specifically made for you. And you let the cockroaches get it.
No buts. It's all you.
It's all on you, Thor.
All you, buddy.
Skylar just left, and I believe it is time for me to go to sleep. Which would be nice because I fixed my sleeping schedule so I get sleepy real early. By the way, didn't even film the moon. I'm an idiot. I completely I saw it because I went to Ralph's to get Dr. Pepper and it was pretty much gone. Like you could see a little bit of sliver of like a red moon, and that was it. And I just went outside to look, and it's just a big white moon. So, very anticlimactic. I'm going hiking tomorrow. I forgot to tell you guys. I'm going hiking tomorrow at 10 in the morning. Yay. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a fantastic day. Goodbye!